In this video, I want to share with you a vegetable seedling hack that I've come across that is really helpful in getting seedlings started that maybe don't transplant very easily. Where we plant our vegetables, it's pretty difficult to plant seeds directly and get the seedlings to come up. But this hack I've learned, I'm hoping will help us overcome this problem incredibly easily and incredibly cheaply. Come and have a look. So about 3 weeks ago, I planted some cucumber seedlings here and they died. I think it was a combination of it being still too hot, plus getting a lot of rain a couple of times, and slugs, snails and other pests possibly have really taken them out. But one thing with cucumbers is that they don't like to be transplanted, and my good friend Paddy sent me this idea, so I thought I'd try it out. And that's to make these little pots with newspaper so that we can just pick them up, drop them straight into the hole. It's a little bit deep, so, but yeah, there, the paper's falling apart already on this one, but it's just keeping the roots nice and intact. Cucumbers and other types of vegetables don't like their roots being disturbed. They don't transplant very well. So we thought we'd just give this a try and see how well it works. You've got to pick them up pretty gently to avoid disturbing them. That one's fallen apart even more. Here I'll also add some of our homemade compost. So I'll put these down. I'm going to cut some more of this, which is the king's grass, the vetiver grass. We've got a whole lot of it over here. And I'll place that around the base of my seedlings. And this will help keep the slugs and snails away. But come with me now and I will show you the really cool hack to make these little vegetable seedling planters. The key to this newspaper pot hack is this tool here. It's very simple. It's just a piece of PVC, or you could use something else that's solid enough. Probably a soda bottle's not going to give you enough strength to it because you need to be able to roll this with the newspaper. The measurement here is 9 centimeters. The measurement here is 16 centimeters. About a 45-degree angle on it. And that is set to measure 3 times across a piece of broadsheet newspaper. So you just make your marks. It doesn't need to be perfect at all, but just straight enough. You can follow the text on the newsprint even. And then just a matter of simply cutting the newspaper into strips. And then just a single sheet is all that you need. I've got more than I need there. And all we do is place your template tool about here so that the top of the newspaper is just coming to the bottom of that cut, and then simply roll it up. And from here, where your paper joins, just tuck it in. Tuck it in again, tuck it in again, and then just find something just to tamp that newspaper down, and you've got a ready-made plant pot. Then, very simple, fill it up with some potting mix, and then you're ready to plant. Simple as that. Just a really good, easy hack. And as you saw when I was planting them, that newspaper was really, really fragile. It was very soft, so you've got to be careful with it. But that's going to allow the roots of the plants to really get out and enjoy growing in the good soil. If you'd like to know a bit more about the compost that we used and how we make it, you can check out this video here. Thanks very much for watching.